Hey guys, so today we're going to be checking out Coder. I have briefly checked it out earlier, and just a long story short here, uh, and also a disclaimer, I guess. I'm totally new with AI coding. I've been maybe doing it about 1 to 2 months, and as I've been, practicing and experimenting and everything, my project gets totally messy and unorganized. I got weird name folders going on. Um, this would be in VS Code. It's what I'm using with Claude Code. Anyway, I've been looking for ways to be more organized and efficient. And I'm kind of in a weird place where I don't know what I'm looking for, but it feels like I'm looking for something specific, but I don't know what it is. Well, I think Coder is that thing. And yeah, I've been trying to find the best way to um, kind of have a more isolated environment from my local computer. Plus, I'm on Windows, and I really wanted to have a development environment where I am developing under a Linux-based system. So this kind of answers all my problems. And if we look here under pricing, you'll see they have a free community version of it. If you hit install there, it'll give you directions to install, and I'll let you guys follow that. But I already have it installed, so we're going to just go ahead and open it up. Oh, also, you want to make sure that you have Docker Desktop up and running because it uses Docker as the containerized environment. So you will log in using I use my GitHub account. We'll authenticate that really quick. Authorize Coder. All right, and this is what you'll see when you first start it. You'll need to first create a template. Now, they have all these starter templates and stuff, which I'm sure is really cool for a lot of different users. But for me, I just need the Docker containers template. So we can just use the template there and hit save. It's going to create the template. Drink a little bit of our coffee. All right, now it's created our template. And be honest with you, I don't really know what any of this stuff is. I guess it's like just information to help set up your development environment. I will probably learn what all this does later. But for now, if we go back, we'll see that we have our template here. And all we have to do now is just create workspace. Give it a name for your workspace. And then I'm not sure why this is always here because I use VS Code, but it doesn't really seem to matter. So just ignore that and hit create workspace. Now I have used other solutions that seem to work pretty well. Dev containers inside of VS Code I thought was pretty cool, but it didn't quite give me the level of isolation I was looking for. I don't know. To me, this just feels more better. More better. It's easier to install and get going. I just create container for whatever project I'm working on. Now here's the cool thing. So we can launch it VS Code in the browser, and it works just like normal VS Code, or we can launch it remotely with our desktop version. So that's what I'm going to do here. Open that. Now you see all of these extensions I have installed. Totally have a clean slate, which is what I love. So take a minute to open remotely. And takes another minute here. Okay, so we are live. So here's what was a little confusing to me at first. If I hit open folder, you don't get your normal dialog box because I guess it's a containerized environment. So what I do is I open the coder environment here. I'm sure you can use the terminal. Might be better to do this in the terminal instead. I'm just going to create a folder for my app. And then we're going to open that. You can hit Control-Shift-P and just use the file open folder command there. I'm going to go into coder and I'm going to go into my app and we'll hit OK. Now we have the place where we're going to develop our application. Why does that not look right to me? Yeah, I guess it is right. Okay. All right. And then, yeah, whatever you do, all the files that you put in here, it's going to save it inside of the container. So it's not on your local system, which I like. And then also when you use a terminal, you are now using a Linux-based system to develop your app in, which is what I also love. So yeah, you get your Claude code installed here, install your needed extensions, and that way it's only pertaining to the project that you're working on. So yeah, that is it. That is my, I think that's all I'm going to show you guys today. I'm still kind of a little new to this, but I like it. It's very easy, simple to use. I can create other workspaces for other coding projects that I'm working on. And yeah, I think this is that thing that I was looking for. I hope you guys found this video useful, and thank you for watching.